Oh,
close it. Oh, well, look at all that. Oh, $32.
Nice job.
Hi, everyone.
Over 50 slots.
And we are toasting in the Friday. Bucket List Friday. The first slot machine we're starting with is our favorite.
Yes, Dancing Drums Explosion.
Dancing Drums Explosions. We have to get the bonus first. When we get the bonus,
We pick mystery
mystery.
until we get...
The maximum number of spins with the maximum number of lines. We're so excited.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Over 50 slots. Here we are in session 7, week 7. We're still trying to get why can't I think of it?
Mystery bonus?
The mystery bonus, thank you.
With the maximum number of spins, the maximum grid.
Let's see if I can zoom in on this. All
Got
right.
our $25 in. Will this be the one? Here we go.
Oh, why did we do a challenge that was so hard?
I don't know. This is really hard.
You think maybe it's not too late to change it?
I think we're going to have to rethink it next month.
Oh, I heard that. Next month, meaning we're going to be done soon.
Yeah, sure, right?
Hopefully. Oh, good. Come on. Drum. I only said one drum and it didn't even give me that. Close it? No.
Come on, drums. This might be a very short week.
Hey, it might be.
Okay, at least last session we didn't lose all our money.
No? Oh, that's right. We broke even.
Yeah.
All right. Oh,
Close it. Oh, well, look at all that. Oh, $32.
Nice job.
Okay. If we get down to $25, we're going to end this session even too. Hey, we don't want to lose all our money.
Is it me?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, look at that gold drum. Come on. Oh, 45 cents. Let's do it. Oh,
What's that? Nothing.
we're missing the first drum.
Sorry. I couldn't get as good a hit of you. Oh, wow.
Now, if you would like to see the pod, leave a comment, and we'll go by based on our responses on that. If you'd like to see the pod along with the reels.
Or if you like us just staying on the screen because there's way too much movement going up and down and up and down, let us know. Oops, I think I did it twice.
No! All right. Oh, do it. Darn pot. Come on, let's get it. I'm not sure who the artist is of this song, but they're saying, I don't like that. Because I'm feeling the O in my butt. All right, come on.
Okay, we need something. We're getting low. We might have to go below our $25 because this is very short.
Come on, pots. Oh, sorry, not pots. Drums.
Yeah, drums.
Drum.
Uh-oh. Drum. Oh my god. It's that first one again.
Let's go. Drums. Oh.
No. Drums. Oh no.
Oh.
I think
That's the $25 turnaround.
Are we gonna quit or are we keep going because we haven't really played very long. Let's keep going.
Okay.
Let's keep going.
All right. Drums. Oh.
Come on.
Close. Oh, the machine's going to sleep on us.
Oh, I got some coins.
A little bit there. All right. Do it again? No.
Oh, a little bit coins. No. Oh, come on. See a bonus, dancing drums. Ooh, more points.
Oh, look at that.
$4. Oh, look at
26.
Oh, we're back down.
No, the $25 turnaround.
Oh, stop doing that. You're going to get me sick.
All right, come on, let's do it. Oh, Wombat, there you are. $2. Oh my gosh. Come on, drum. What? No. Come on, drums. Where are you? Oh, let's do it. Get it. Oh.
Where are our drums?
Oh, crap.
You're in the wrong spot, Wild.
Oh my gosh. Come on,
Look at
drums.
that gold drum.
We need drums.
I wanted the gold drum bonus.
All the way across, 5 drums.
Oh, hey.
Wow. Come on. Get it. Oh.
I need a bonus.
Oh no.
It was looking so good at the beginning.
It was.
Oh well. We are having fun.
It's not over.
And we are having fun. And gambling should be fun. It's entertainment.
Oh no.
You almost got your bet back.
Almost.
Where have all the drums gone?
Just a little pause. All right.
And we don't want pause, we want drums.
Oh, come on, machine. Get me excited so I pee my pants.
Oh gosh.
Oh, it didn't do it. Very good. I now run to the room.
Oh,
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Last
gosh.
spin.
Is it down on me?
I know.
It is? Oh.
Yeah.
Here we go. One more chance. No, we were short.
Last session we at least got to break even. This session, no bonus.
We'll be back. Another session, Dancing Drums Explosion. Thanks for watching.